विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, into the last period we are understanding the useful microorganisms, in which we had seen the lactobacilli and ribosomes and how they are useful to the human welfare. Now the next microorganism, that is the yeast. Yeast means किण्व, मराठीमध्ये किण्व असं म्हणतात. and it is also useful microorganism for human. मानवासाठी हे एक उपयुक्त मायक्रोऑर्गॅनिझम्स आहे. how to study or how to observe, watch the yeast. Take on activities are given in the text. Bring active dry yeast, that is active dry yeast, which are available into the market, and this active dry yeast is used to the preparing the bread. And mix this active dry yeast quantity 1 spoonful of yeast and 2 spoonful sugar with sufficient quantity of lukewarm water in bottle. Take 1 bottle and add it 1 spoonful of yeast and 2 spoonful of sugar and a sufficient quantity of warm, light warm, that is the lukewarm water in bottle, and fix a colorless transfer balloon on the mouth of the bottle. And figure कशी दिसेल, ते चित्र कसं दिसेल. Now see here, suppose we draw this in this way, that is the bottle. That is the bottle, and add it in, mix 2 spoon of yeast, 2 spoon of yeast and 2 spoonful of sugar in this. Okay, and sufficient quantity of lukewarm water, and fix at the mouth of bottle a transparent white colored or transparent colorless balloon in this way. Fix that. Okay, now what happened, what change do you observe after 10 minutes? Place this bottle for 10 minutes and remove these transparent balloon and mix lime water, mix into the balloon, and that balloon contain a particular type of gas. When we add the lime water into the balloon, what happens? The lime water convert into the white precipitate. Lime water converted into the white precipitate. Now, why does it happen? Why does it happen? Because during this reaction, yeast and sugar, there is carbon dioxide is formed, and the carbon dioxide is collected in the balloon, and when lime water added into the lime water and carbon dioxide react to each other, and there is formation of calcium carbonate. Okay, and the reaction in this way, the reaction कशी असेल तर ती अशी असेल, काय असेल, lime water, molecular formula of lime water CaOH CaOH 2 plus carbon dioxide. Molecular formula of carbon dioxide CO2. And what is the product? Product is formed CaCO3, that is the calcium carbonate. Okay, and this is the combination reaction. Now see, take a drop of solution from the bottle on glass slide. From this bottle, take one drop on the glass slide and put it cover slip and observe it under the compound microscope. We had seen the picture of compound microscope into the last period. And store the solution in bottle carefully. Remaining solution stored carefully. Do you see the colorless oval shell east on the slide? This is under the microscope. This picture. Okay, we can see under the microscope. Some of this cell may have small round bodies. Suppose this is the small round bodies. That cell containing small round bodies attached to them. ठीक है नहीं, या प्रकार है. And these are the new daughter cell of yeast. These are the new daughter cell of yeast in the process of formation. And this method to newborn daughter cells, yeast cells are formed, that is the reproduction and asexual reproduction of the asexual reproduction in the yeast, and that is known as budding. This method of asexual reproduction and is known as budding. Yeast is a heterotrophic fungal microbes. Yeast कसा है? Heterotrophic fungal microscope. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition that grows on carbon compound. There are 1,500 different species of yeast existence on the earth, and yeast is unicellular fungus. The yeast cell is a eukaryotic type of cell. Yeast कैसा है? Eukaryotic. दृश्य केंद्र की. In the above experiment, yeast grows, multiply very quickly due to the carbon compound in sugar solution, and in this process of the obtaining nutrition, yeast cells convert the carbohydrate in that solution into the alcohol and carbon dioxide in this process of fermentation. Yeast cells are given here the diagram. Question may be asked into the examination. Draw a well-knit diagram of yeast cell. And we draw in this way and give the nominations: bud, cell wall, nucleus, cytoplasm, etc. In the above experiment, we had seen that yeast grows and multiply very quickly in the carbon compound. That is the sugar solution is the carbon compound, because they are nutrition in the carbon compounds. And yeast cell convert the carbohydrates. These carbohydrates, yeast cell क्या करता? तर these carbohydrates in the solution is converted into the alcohol and carbon dioxide. Okay, yeast cell convert the carbohydrates into the solution in that solution into the alcohol and carbon dioxide, and this process is known as fermentation. आणि या प्रक्रियेला किण्वन असं म्हणतात. किण्वन, fermentation. What is the process? Yeast cell convert the carbohydrate in the solution into the alcohol and carbon dioxide, and this process is known as fermentation. Okay. Now the next, how is bread made? पाव कसा बनवतात? ब्रेड, ठीक आहे ना, आपण सकाळी नाश्त्यामध्ये बरेचसे लोक यूज करतात, ब्रेड खातात, ठीक नाही. तो ब्रेड कसा बनवला जातो त्याच्याबद्दलची माहिती घ्या. फाइंड आउट हाउ टू यूज द सोल्युशन प्रिपेअर्ड इन द अबव एक्सपेरिमेंट टू मेक द ब्रेड and how the recipe and make the bread. Find out the note down the reason why the dough rises and make the bread spongy. गव्हाचं पीठ कसं असतं, घट्ट असतं, त्याच्यापासून स्पॉन्जी ब्रेड. हाऊ टू प्रिपेअर, फॉलो द रेसिपी, गो टू द बेकरी अँड गॅदर द इन्फॉर्मेशन हाऊ टू मेक ब्रेड फ्रॉम बाय यूजिंग द active yeast cell. Now the next, do you know, often alcohol is produced along sugar in sugar factories. आपण बरेचदा तुम्ही जर कारखाना पाहायला गेला असाल साखरेची फॅक्टरी ज्या ठिकाणी असतील त्या ठिकाणी त्याच्या जवळच काय असतं तर अल्कोहोल निर्मितीचा प्रकल्प असतो. त्याच्या नियर कनेक्टेड असतो. because alcohol is prepared by using the molasses, and molasses means ऊसाची मळी. ऊसाच्या मळीपासून काय केलं जातं, अल्कोहोल निर्माण केलं जातं. आणि ऊसाच्या मळीला काय म्हणतात, मोलॅसिस. and which are prepared from the molasses alcohol, because molasses it is rich in carbohydrates. Molasses is fermented with the help of yeast called the Saccharomyces. Molasses जे आहे त्याच्यापासून how to prepare alcohol by using which type of yeast, Saccharomyces. This yeast is used to prepare the alcohol from the molasses, and molasses is prepared from, that is the byproduct, into the sugar factory. In this process the alcohol, ethyl alcohol, that is the ethyl alcohol C2H5OH, the chemical formula ethyl alcohol is produced as a primary product. पहिल्यांदा हा प्रोडक्ट तयार होतो. and ester and other alcohol is a secondary product. Ester and other alcohols as the secondary product. Spirit and other alcohol can be obtained from the alcohol. And ethanol, it is also used as a fuel because ethanol is a smokeless burning and it is a high quality fuel. Due to this, it added into the petrol, near about 10% in India. Besides the molasses, maize, barley and other grains are also used in industries production of ethanol. इथेनॉलच्या निर्मितीसाठी मुलांना फक्त मोलॅसिसच नाही तर काय काय वापरले जाऊ शकतं, मेज, barley and other grain also used to the production of ethanol. Glucose and fructose, the sugar present in grape juice. Glucose and fructose, these chemicals, that is the simple sugar and which are present into the grape juice, are also fermented with the help of yeast to produce the alcohol which is used for making wines. wines म्हणजे दारू निर्मितीसाठी प्यायची दारू आहे की नाही, पिल्यानंतर लोक झुलतात, बडबड करतात नाही, आणि हे मद्य आणि ते धोकादायक असतं जास्त पिणं. आणि these wines are prepared by using the grape juice, and grape juice contain the glucose and fructose, and this grape juice when fermented with the help of yeast there is production of alcohol, and that alcohol is used for the prepare the wine. Now see, use your brain power. Recently it had been It has been compulsory in India, in some other countries, to mix 10% ethanol with fuel like petrol and diesel. What is the reason for it? Because ethanol is a good fuel, it is a smokeless, and due to this it is used into the petrol 10% to save the petroleum product. Why are wineries located near Nashik in Maharashtra? नाशिक जिल्ह्यामध्ये, नाशिक महाराष्ट्रामध्ये वायनरीज म्हणजे दारूचे उद्योग, मद्य निर्माण करणारे कारखाने आहेत. बिकॉज नाशिक डिस्ट्रिक्ट इज फेमस फॉर द production of grapes, and grapes is used to making the wines. Chapati made for the wheat only swell up, but bread becomes spongy, soft and easy to digest. Why is it so? Because in the bread a particular type of yeast is used, and that yeast is make the bread spongy and fully nutritionful. Now the next, bioremediation. जैव, ज्याला म्हणतो आपण जैव उपाय, उपयोजना, उपाय किंवा कशावर तरी एक उपाय. yeast and Eurovia lipolytica, Eurovia lipolytica is used, that is a type of yeast. हे काय आहे? ईस्टचा किण्वाचा प्रकार आहे, and is used to absorb the toxin released during the production of palm oil and heavy metal and mineral released in some other industrial process. औद्योगिक क्षेत्रामध्ये palm oil असेल, palm oil and other heavy metals and minerals released in some other industry in which this type of Eurovia lipolytica, this is to absorb the toxins released during this production. Now the Saccharomyces cerevisiae, this type of yeast is used for absorption of pollutant arsenic. These yeast are used for the absorption of arsenic. Arsenic is a very dangerous pollutant, and it pollutes the water and air. Now the next, oil spills in ocean are cleaned with the help of Alcaniorous bacteria. Alcaniorous bacteria, which are used to the, when oil spills in ocean, it is cleaned by the help of Alcaniorous bacteria. Okay, that is the bioremedy. Now see the next, antibiotics. Antibiotics means pratijayvike. That is the medicine, but this medicine is prepared from the microorganisms. Antibiotics. Now see, carbon compound obtained from some bacteria. Listen carefully. A carbon compound obtained from some bacteria and fungi. That is the carbon compound obtained from some bacteria and fungi, and for destroying, preventing the growth of harmful organisms, microorganisms. And these obtained compounds destroying the growth of harmful microorganisms are called as antibiotics. जे कार्बन कंपाऊंड बॅक्टेरिया आणि फंगीपासून मिळवल्या जातात आणि ते जे धोकादायक आहेत, हार्मफुल, उपद्रवी सूक्ष्मजीव आहेत, त्यांचा नाश करतात, त्यांना अँटीबायोटिक्स असं, प्रतिजैविक असं म्हणतात. हा लक्षात. दॅट इज द डेफिनेशन. कार्बन, व्हॉट इज द अँटीबायोटिक्स? कार्बन कंपाउंड्स. Carbon compounds obtained from the bacteria and fungi for destroying or preventing the growth of harmful microorganisms are called as antibiotics. And the antibiotics is discovered in the 20th century, 20व्या शतकात, have brought about the revolution in field of medicine. आणि त्यानं औद्योगिक जे काही औषधशास्त्र आहे त्याच्यात एक क्रांती झाली, because it is a very useful for some disease like the tuberculosis. Tuberculosis disease can be completely eradicated from some countries. Eradicates, निर्मूलन होणे. ट्युबरक्युलोसिस म्हणजे आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो, क्षय म्हणतो. ह्या रोगाचं पूर्ण इरॅडिकेशन झालेलं आहे. कशामुळं? बाय युजिंग द antibiotics. Antibiotics mainly acts against the bacteria. Antibiotics mainly acts against bacteria, but which bacteria? जे harmful bacteria त्यांच्या विरुद्ध त्याचा वापर केला जातो. Some antibiotics can destroy the protozoa. काही बॅक्टेरिया जे आदिजीव आहेत, प्रोटोझोन्स आहेत, त्यांना सुद्धा डिस्ट्रॉय करतात, विच आर हार्मफुल टू द ह्युमन लाईफ. Some antibiotics used against the wide variety of bacteria. Now listen carefully. Some antibiotics are useful against a wide variety of bacteria. Wide variety of bacteria. ही असे मायक्रो जे काही असे अँटीबायोटिक्सचे एक अँटीबायोटिक्स अनेक बॅक्टेरियांना नष्ट करतो. And they are called the broad spectrum antibiotics. And this type of antibiotics is known as broad spectrum antibiotics. And some antibiotics are useful against the wide variety bacteria. They are called as broad spectrum antibiotics. Example ह्याचे कोणते आहेत पहा. एम्फिसिलिन, amoxicillin, tetracycline. These are the broad spectrum antibiotics. These antibiotics useful against a wide variety of bacteria. And when the pathogen cannot be identified, even though the symptom of disease are visible, broad spectrum antibiotics are used. जर आपल्याला ज्यावेळेस एखादा रोगाचा रोग जंतू कळाले नाही, कशाचं त्याच्या लक्षणावरून सिम्पटमवरून आपल्याला अशा प्रकारचं ब्रॉड स्पेक्ट्रम अँटीबायोटिक्स डॉक्टर देतात. बट द नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ अँटीबायोटिक्स, ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड. whenever the pathogen microorganism is definitely known, pathogen known, microorganism, pathogenic microorganisms are pathogens and is definitely known, then narrow spectrum antibiotics are used. जेव्हा रोगकारक जंतू सूक्ष्मजीव माहीत असतात त्यावेळेस नॅरो स्पेक्ट्रम अँटीबायोटिक्स रुग्णांना डॉक्टर देतात. आणि एक्झाम्पल आहे पेनिसिलिन. ओके, एक्झाम्पल पेनिसिलिन, जंटामायसिन, एरिथ्रोमायसिन, etc. These are the narrow spectrum antibiotics. In broad spectrum antibiotics, ampicillin, amoxicillin, tetracycline. Now institute at work. The National Institute of Virology established in 1952 in Pune. Virology, विषाणू शास्त्र, National Institute of Virology, विषाणू शास्त्राच्या संदर्भात. Undertaken research related to diseases like the measles, gower, jaundice, fever disease, and disease of the lungs. हे जे आजार आहेत ह्या आजारांनी विथ सपोर्ट फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गनायझेशन, जागतिक आरोग्य संघटनेनं जे नेमून दिलेले रोग आहेत त्या रोगाच्या जंतूवर संशोधन केलं जातं. नाव द नेक्स्ट, द अँटीबायोटिक्स, that is penicillin. Who discovered, invented the penicillin, and what is the use of penicillin? We try to understand. Penicillin is a group of antibiotics obtained from fungus. Penicillin is a group of antibiotics and which are obtained from the fungus, and that fungus is known as the penicillium. पासून पेनिसिलिन हे antibiotics मिळतं and used for the controlling the infection, and it is used, penicillin is used to controlling the infection caused by bacteria like the staphylococcus, Clostridium, and streptococcus. These are the harmful bacteria, and the infection of that bacteria to the human life, it can be controlled by the penicillin. Medicine containing penicillin are used to treat certain bacteria infection of the nose, ear, nose, throat, and skin, as well as diseases like the pneumonia and scarlet fever. लोहतांग ज्वर असं म्हणतात. स्कारलेट फ्युअर म्हणजे लोहतांग ज्वर असतं त्याचं नाव. द इन्फेक्शन इन इयर, नोज, थ्रोट, स्किन यावर पेनिसिलिन इज युजफुल मेडिसिन. As well as the disease like pneumonia and scarlet fever, the penicillin is also useful. Now see the cautions. याच्याबद्दल काय काळजी घ्यायची, कशी काळजी घ्यायची. Antibiotics should be taken only when prescribed by doctor. ज्यावेळेस डॉक्टरनं रिकमेंडेशन प्रिस्क्राईब केलेलेच अँटीबायोटिक्स वापरावी. Don't purchase any antibiotics from medical store without prescription from doctor. डॉक्टरच्या सल्ल्याशिवाय स्वतःहून मेडिकल स्टोरहून अँटीबायोटिक्स घेऊ नये किंवा ती घेऊन वापरू नये. Don't consume antibiotics on your own to treat common diseases like the throat infection, common cold or influenza. एकच अँटीबायोटिक्स वेगवेगळ्या आजारावर वापरू नये. प्रत्येक आजारासाठी वेगवेगळं असतं. इवन इफ यू फील वेल बिफोर कंप्लीटिंग ऑफ द प्रिस्क्राइब्ड कोर्स ऑफ द अँटीबॉडीज, यू मस्ट कंटिन्यू अँड कंप्लीट इट. अर्ध्यावर सोडायचं नाही. डॉक्टरने दिलेला पूर्ण कोर्स अँटीबायोटिक्सचा घेणं पूर्ण करणं. लास्ट, डोंट सजेस्ट टू अदर द अँटीबायोटिक्स विच आर युजफुल टू यू. आणि कुणाला असं सांगू नका की मला असं, डोंट बी सजेस्ट. कुणाला सल्ला द्यायचा नाही असं या अँटीबायोटिक्सना आय हॅव कम्प्लिटली क्युअर्ड अँड यू ऑल्सो यूज दिस. दुसऱ्याने सुद्धा तेच वापरावं असं नाही. नावच इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ सायंटिस्ट अँड दॅट इज द सायंटिस्ट अलेक्झांडर फ्लेमिंग. दिस इज who invented the penicillin and how to invented the Alexander Fleming penicillin. Now see, the Alexander Fleming is a professor of microbiology at St. Mary Hospital and cultured a variety of bacteria and fungi in petri dishes in his laboratory. On 3rd September 1928, while observing the streptococci culture, he made an interesting observation in his petri dish. In that petri dish, fungal colonies had grown, but the area became clean and clear because the bacteria had actually been destroyed by the Streptococcus cultures. After further studies, he confirmed that the fungus growing there was penicillin and secretion and destroyed the bacterial colony. म्हणजे ज्या ठिकाणी फंगस अँटीबायोटिक्स पेनिसिलियम ठेवलेला आहे त्याने काय केलं, त्याच्या आजूबाजूचे सर्व बॅक्टेरिया नष्ट केले, बॅक्टेरियल कॉलनी नष्ट केल्या. म्हणून ही अंडरस्टँड दॅट द फंगस penicillin is destroyed the bacteria. Its secretion had destroyed the bacterial colonies. And thus the first antibiotics penicillin had been discovered accidentally. आणि अशा प्रकारे सगळ्यात पहिल्या पेनिसिलिनचा अपघाती किंवा अचानक असा शोध पेनिसिलिनचा डॉक्टर अलेक्झांडर फ्लेमिंग यांना लागला. And this formed the basis of attempt to find cures in incurable disease. And this penicillin is used for the incurable disease. It is a very great invention by the Dr. Alexander Fleming. And shouldn't we always be grateful to Alexander Fleming for discovering the life-saving antibiotics? म्हणून अशी जीवनदान देणाऱ्या अँटीबायोटिकचा शोध लावल्याबद्दल ही जी व्यक्ती आहे डॉक्टर अलेक्झांडर फ्लेमिंग यांचा आपण आभारी राहायलाच पाहिजे. Wonderful to know that ants grows fungi in their termitarium, that is ant hill, मुंग्या वारुळामध्ये काय करतात तर फंगसची निर्मिती त्यांची वाढ करतात अँड ऑप्टन फूड फ्रॉम इट आणि त्यांचा अन्न म्हणून वापर करतात. Some species of wasps and other insects lay their eggs in the fungal body growing on trees and thus ensure a food supply for their larvae. Some wasps and species of wasps and other insects lay their eggs into the fungal colony which are growing on the trees. झाडावर जी काही बुरशी वाढलेली असते अशा ठिकाणी काही कीटक अंडी घालतात and the larvae come out from the eggs. They use the fungal body as their food. Okay, now we try to understand the different types of, that is the two types useful two microbes, and that is the first we have seen the yeast and then we have seen antibiotics. Now the next, that is the harmful microorganism we will to see into the next video or period. Okay, thank you.